Are you looking for an easy way to duplicate pages and practice better? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate pages and practice better, step by step. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal a powerful alternative that might even be a better fit for your needs. First, let's jump straight into the action. If you're looking to duplicate pages within Practice Better, it's all about saving time and avoiding the hassle of rebuilding your pages from scratch. You might be wondering why you want to duplicate a page. Well, this feature can help you replicate content for clients, sessions, or templates, so you don't have to redo everything each time. Next, let's open up your Practice Better account. From your dashboard, head over to the Pages section. This is where all your content lives, your client portals, intake forms, session notes, and more. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a list of your existing pages. Now, here's the crucial part. To duplicate a page, just hover over the page you want to copy. You'll notice a few options appear. Look for the Duplicate button and click it. It's that simple. A new version of your page will appear, ready for you to tweak, adjust, or use as a template for other purposes. Next thing you should know, after duplicating your page, you can easily rename it. Just click into the page settings, change the title, and now you've got a new page that's all set to go without changing the original. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple clients and need to customize their content but want to keep the core structure intact. The fourth thing to keep in mind is how to adjust the settings on your duplicated page. Whether you're dealing with forms, templates, or client-facing content, Practice Better lets you make adjustments so that you don't have to start over. You can update the text, upload new files, or change design elements to make it perfectly suited to your needs. While Practice Better is a great tool for automating parts of your practice, it's important to mention that there are other platforms that might offer more flexibility or better tools for some of your goals. For example, if you're looking for a system with more advanced automation or integrations, or perhaps more client communication options, you might want to consider other software. It's all about finding what works best for your business. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the best option for you? If Practice Better isn't quite hitting the mark, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to share a competitor with a great free trial that offers even more options and could be a better fit for your needs. Stay tuned, because I'll be showing you exactly how to get an exclusive extended trial for this alternative. So, here's the deal. If you want to get started with Practice Better, check out the link in the description to get an exclusive extended free trial. But if you're looking for something with even more features that might better suit your goals, I've included a link for that too. With this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Thanks for watching.